What's going on, fam? We are back today, and I promised you guys a video of me making a bikini top for the Miata. So the way we're doing this today is we are not using any crazy power tools. We're trying to do everything plain and simple. We're not sewing, we're not doing none of that. Anybody could do this. So for today, all we spent was $20 on this leather vinyl. You could buy this anywhere, like Michael's. Well, I'm not too sure for Michael's, you know, like I think Joann's. We got this for 20 bucks. And then this right here, this is your bracket. That bracket is what is in here. That's technically the soft top bracket. All we're gonna be doing is cutting these off. You could use a grinder. That's like the most expensive tool we'll use, so we cut it off right here. We won't be needing this. This comes with it. So I spent like $23 on this, and this I bought it at the junkyard. You could find it anywhere. You could go to Pick Apart. You could go to what else, OfferUp, trying to find someone that's parting it out. You know, offer them 20 bucks, 25. Shouldn't go for too much because these ain't really worth that any. Here's some more stuff that you guys are gonna need. I included everything. So we're gonna be needing these tarp clips. These tarp clips are gonna come in handy. You guys will see why we're gonna use them. Might not need all 4 of them, but for 4 of them I spent $3 at Harbor Freight. Scissors, I mean, you could buy scissors for like $3 at Walmart. I got a pack of 3. And then make sure that this goes right here on the soft top. I mean, like on the soft top bracket. You guys are gonna make sure you guys need this. Let's see what else we need. Okay, you guys are going to need straps or any type of strap, you know. It doesn't have to be this. I didn't choose orange because I wanted to, but that's all they had, and we're gonna be using these. I'll be cutting them up, you know, but for right now we're gonna be using these. Hopefully in the future I find some cheaper, like black ones. I mean, these were pretty cheap. These were about like $5. So yep, add that to there. And I just bought these just in case. I know I'm not gonna need them, but just in case, you know, I always want these. All right, so for the Miata, they all come with these little like things right here. You're gonna be needing these. So if you guys don't have these, like these little things, whatever they're called, I do suggest you guys to buy a nut, and not a nut but a bolt that will screw in here. You know, it's all common thread. I'm not 100% sure what thread this is, but you do want these. And if not, find a nice like shiny bolt that's gonna be fitting right here. All right, simple how we're gonna cut this. I laid it flat on top of the hood. I'm not gonna be cutting it while it's on there, but what you guys do gotta remember is you guys gotta have enough room for the back. So you want to kind of stop halfway here, and same thing for the opposite side. All right, so instead of having it on the car, we're gonna have it on the floor. And like I said, you want to make sure your sheet's leveled, your little vinyl, and nice in the middle. And then you got your freaking headliner connected, whatever bracket this is called, and then just kind of go off of there. And when you buy this, don't get rid of all the hardware. You're gonna need it. So all the hardware that's in the front, just keep it.
Some respect on my name. Y'all finished or y'all done?
This bracket right here comes off. I already put 1 bolt. That 1 bolt is right dead center of this, so you really don't have to worry about where's the center. So dead as, you just start from the center and then you just work your way out one way and the other. You technically want to work your way this way because you want to kind of be pulling it, stretching it, making sure that you get no little like creases like this. And either way, throughout time, the heat will like make sure the creases are gone. And the holes technically match up with the little brackets that hold the screw in. And that's all you got to do for the first part. Is just put 1 bolt, measure everything's in the middle, and start putting them in. I already did this part, that's already in there. So what I did is off of the exactly the end of it on this side, right here where the bracket's at, I just went straight back, and that's what you want to do on both sides. Also, I forgot to mention that you're gonna need this PVC pipe. It's like whatever this is, 1.5 by 10 ABS plastic. This whole big tube, it was only $5 at Home Depot. I purchased my soft top a while back, like when I first bought the Miata. They give you this little piece, and this little piece is where the window used to go. So they just give you this piece for how do you say, they give it to you so like just in case your top ever rips, you could just patch it. So this is a perfect window right here, and I have it measured to where this is where I'm gonna cut. And that, my friend, is how you guys make a freaking bikini top. Plain and simple. All we gotta do now is just finish up the top ends, you know, get them all nice and tight, get rid of all that extra stuff, and then time to mount it onto the car and show you guys why I got that pipe and the rest of the stuff for. All right, so the next hard step is pretty easy. It's hard and it's easy. You're gonna cut a PVC pipe from here, from the inside of here to here. You want this mint. All right, so I already made it. Plain and simple. You cut the piece of the tube, like about, you gotta measure because every dashboard is different, so I can't give you guys exact size. One side will be for this side. You could do it much prettier than that. I just did that because I don't have that right tool, the one that cuts like perfect. And then on one side you want a little flap like this that's gonna go inside of that handle on top of the little bracket. So you just put your little part first right here, and then you just light it on, and then it's on there, and then that's what's gonna keep the middle up. See what I mean? Nice and good. All right, fam, so I have a little bit of bad news. As you guys know, in the car community or anybody that works on cars, nothing ever goes well. So I'm gonna show you guys my fail. It is a fail, but it could be fixed. Now, oh, it's not, let me get this out the way. It could be fixed, and it is gonna be fixed. So this is what happened. And I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but it could look way better. All right, so I did the top, blah, 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 it came out good. See what I mean? Like with this extra piece right here, you know, I kind of cut the edge off because it was a little too long. So I need this. What are you barking at? Hey. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna buy something for my my roll bar that's gonna help it push it out, but I will be continuing that in another video. Not gonna do it today because I have to order that. I don't know how to explain it on video. I'd rather just show you guys, but I am gonna be pulling this a little bit forward, get rid of all this extra slack right here. So that's gonna be one thing, and then we're gonna put something on the bar. It's like a padding that's gonna go on the bar. It's gonna bring it out a little bit more, make it go a little bit better. So I mean, it looks the same on the opposite side, you know. It should, like, it's gonna bring it out just a little bit better. So hopefully that works. I have to order it. It's really cheap anyway. It's like less than 10 bucks. Another thing is, this is the way I mounted it. See what I mean? You kind of want these straps that go on, they clip on. These are the ones that I bought Harbor Freight for $4, and then I just hooked it onto here. There's other ways to do it. There's way smaller straps than this. You guys don't have to get this freaking bright ass freaking neon orange, whatever this is called, highlighter orange. You guys don't have to do this. I only did this just trying to show you guys in this video. That's the only reason why I bought it. But besides that, I mean, this is the way it came out. So I mean, it looks all right. I mean, it could look way better, but you get what I'm saying. I have to go ahead and fix that, you know, to make it seem a little bit better, make it look cool, because it has too much wrinkle, it's too loose, and I don't like the way it looks. But like I said, it's gonna be fixable. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one. My next video while I wait for those parts to come in, I'm gonna be doing a digital dash on the Miata under $100. The only way you could do this digital dash is if you have an aftermarket ECU, or I want to say Mega Square. I believe you have to have Mega Square, or you know, not too sure, but I have Mega Square, and we're gonna be running Mega Square and installing a digital dash. I'm not gonna take over my whole speedometer, so it's gonna be a digital dash. Let's say the budget $100, and we're gonna work with that. So tomorrow's video, or I want to say Wednesday's video, will be on the digital dash, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, like, comment, share, repost, everything. I appreciate all that. I'll see you guys on the next video, and have a good day. Peace.